At Mobile City, we understand your need to keep in touch. That's why we have in stock the latest mobile phones with features such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and many other cool apps. Mobile City is in Chipata, Lusaka, and along Oxford Road in Kitwe.
Oh yeah, I'm having fun. Granny's saying hi, and I love you, Mom.
Mobile City, the phone's paradise.